What's up guys? Today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about this Gerber fixed blade knife. I've been living and camping on the road for about the last 4 years and this thing is an absolute essential. It's got a great flat blade right here that you can use for cooking or cleaning fish or anything like that. You also have a serrated blade right here, which is great for cutting ropes or branches or anything like that. The grip is super rubberized, really hard to actually lose your grip. You also have this little stopper right here so you don't slide past and onto the actual blade itself. But yeah, I've never lost a grip in this. I've used it in rain and snow and it always holds really well. It also has this glass breaker at the end in case you ever need that. Hopefully you never do. I never have, but it's, nice to know that it's on there. The blade itself is actually really light. Like, it feels like you can just put it on a backpack, throw it in the backpack if you want. You can carry it with a variety of different MOLLE attachments. It also comes with this really handy sheath, which I use all the time for it. It works with any kind of MOLLE attachment with these little button systems on the back. It's got 2 of them, so you can really secure it down. It also secures the knife really well. You can see when you get it in there, it really doesn't come out. Like, it would take quite a bit of movement to get that to move. It also has these buttons if you want to strap the knife down. Do that real quick. And you can see now it's really on there. Super cool knife. I would highly recommend it for anyone into nature, outdoors, or just wants, a really practical knife to travel around with. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.